Looking for a next-level dining experience in Manila? Hindi lang basta buffet, kundi elevated dining. Tara, let's check out Six Doors Buffet at the Mall of Asia. Hello, fellow food trippers! Six Doors Buffet MAAX is a new dining spot located on the ground floor of the Mall of Asia Arena Annex building at the corner of Coral Way and Diokno Boulevard, Pasay City. It is near the SMX Convention Center, the IKEA building, and the Archdiocesan Church of Jesus, the Way, the Truth, and the Life. Six Doors first opened in October 2018 at Uptown Mall in BGC. It was the first restaurant to feature 3D table mapping projection technology conceptualized in Singapore. This brings a whole new meaning to the Philippines dining experience. Six Doors Buffet MAAX is a stylish dining that represents 6 major countries, providing culinary variety and promoting diverse dining, well-loved by the Filipino palate. The cuisines deeply influenced by indigenous Chinese dim sum, Japanese sashimi, Korean barbecue, and hotpot, the traditional British dish roast beef, alongside international specialties like Italian pizza, and of course, our very own popular dish, the well-loved Pinoy pork adobo with boiled egg. As for the buffet spread, the menu changes daily for freshness and features a diverse selection that will tickle your taste buds, from fresh seafood to perfectly cooked meats and indulgent desserts. To stimulate our appetite, we start off with the appetizer station, where small, flavorful bites of cheese, fruits, pressed cocktail ceviche, along other finger foods like pizza, nachos, tacos, shrimp balls, fried shark fin, fried Japanese siomai, chicken nuggets, spring rolls, chicken tenders, fried mantou, and french fries, alongside crispy chicken wings coated with tasty sauces of ranch, sweet chili, salted egg, and parmesan that bring everything together. We enjoyed it with a light pressed mixed vegetable salad and macaroni salad. If you visit, don't miss their incredibly pressed salmon sashimi. Its silky, melts in the mouth creaminess is truly a standout. The soft light butter of ebi tempura and the distinct textures and flavors of nigiri sushi and maki sushi captivated our palate and made us crave more. For the main dishes, the buffet offers high-quality classic favorites that drew the guests' attention. We feasted on the tender and perfectly seasoned roast beef, the centerpiece of the buffet, alongside our juicy and succulent roasted chicken, soy garlic tilapia, pork asado, and pork sisig, including the crispy fried carp fillet, Sichuan chicken, chili and tomato spare ribs, salt and pepper squid, Cajun shrimp, Japanese peas katsu, steamed pompano, beef with cream of mushroom, yakisoba, bok choy and tofu with garlic sauce, pork adobo with boiled egg, well paired with the popular Japanese fried rice chahan, and plain steamed rice, complemented by beef sinigang soup. The Chinese dim sum selection is a treat too, with the steamed siomai and shark fin dumplings among the highlights, along with Japanese siomai, tausi pork ribs, chicken feet, and the sweet ube buns. Foodies like me should definitely try these top picks for the full Six Doors Buffet experience. But wait, there's more to fill your plates and bowls and satisfy your cravings. The raw section offers a variety of plain and marinated meats, fish, shrimp, squid, and mussels to choose from. Cooked a la minute by chefs at the open kitchen to your liking. We opted for the seafood with butter sauce and some barbecue grilled meats, best dipped in teriyaki sauce and samjang paste for a savory and slightly spicy kick. For something comforting and packed with flavor, the Hotpot is another must-try, especially for those who enjoy customizing their own hotpot. Diners can choose from a variety of fish balls, meatballs, shrimp, thinly sliced beef or pork, noodles, and vegetable toppings. Serve with your choice of a simmering, flavorful broth of a spicy hotpot soup or the original hotpot soup. Sweet treats for the sweet tooth await at the dessert station, featuring a variety of sweet endings, including pressed fruits such as red and yellow watermelon, honeydew melon, oranges, kiwi, and cat-cat. You can also indulge in assorted sweet delights with a variety of cakes, a delightful chocolate fountain with assorted dips, Pinoy kakanin, pandan jelly, fruit cocktail salad, and the queen of Filipino desserts, halo-halo. You can create your own version with various ingredients and top with your favorite flavors of ice cream to enjoy it even more. You can also indulge in slices of rich and creamy cheesecake, flaky egg tarts, fudgy brownies and chocolate cookies, and a cup of brewed coffee. You can also cap your meals with fruit juices, iced tea, and local beers. Six Doors Buffet's delicious meals and drinks are meticulously planned and prepared to please the palate and satisfy everyone's craving. Which gives value for money that's easy on the budget. Perfect for your lunch or dinner date, birthday celebrations, any special occasion, or kahit gusto mo lang i-treat ang sarili mo. The best time to visit Six Doors Buffet MAAX is from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. for lunch and 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. for dinner, with a 3-hour dining time limit. So when your cravings for good and classic Asian and international cuisines hit hard, come to Six Doors Buffet MAAX. Your endless craving will be quickly satisfied with their delicious unlimited food and unlimited fun dining experience, including their staff's warm customer service, making guests feel at home. So make your next occasion unforgettable. Make it happen at Six Doors Buffet MAAX. To secure a table on peak days and during peak hours, call to reserve your seats in advance. Message them at 0917-105-2857. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food trips and great food finds around Metro Manila. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.